And that value which is very vital in relationship, that value which is very important to become a person of substance, it is very important to control our tongue. Because with this tongue, either we can make some life. For example, when my first mentor asked me, you had an amazing ability to be a good trainer. And that words for me like a totally strange words. But he keep on encouraging me, keep on inculcating that self-belief into myself. And I remember that by virtue of his consistent encouragement, I don't know whether I was been having that or not, but he has given me that belief. I started exercising it, I started doing that training, and Alhamdulillah, by virtue of time, someone I'm going to deliver onto that part. When I was leaving my first company, Dr. Heather, I went back to the manager and I said, sir, you have done an amazing thing in my life. You have changed my life altogether. Please tell me what is the one thing I can do for you. He said, nothing, Kamran. Nothing. I have done nothing. I've just shown you the way. You already have the ability. I said, sir, please tell me, how can I compensate you? I would like to repay you something. He said, okay, then one thing, Kamran, remember, if you can promise. I said, sir, this is my promise. He said, okay, now if you grow in your career at certain instance where you feel like, Kamran, you have something of value and you have some of the encouragement which you can pass it on to the people. And you have some sort of thing where you can show people with certain hope and with certain encouragement. And if you will start doing it, I will feel like I'm compensated. After listening to him, I stood up on my chair, I shook hand with him and said, sir, it is a done deal. Even today, after 30 years of my professional career, this is the same commitment I'm honoring. Because these are some of the words, these are some of the love and care from some of the person. So my dear friends, opportunity is in yourself. Opportunity scope is in yourself. If you want to become a best manager, if you want to become a best entrepreneur, if you become a best husband, if you become a best wife, if you want to become a best in everything, first try to become a best human being.
Yes.
Once you are having a values to become a best human being, I can tell you in every role you have, you will be super duper into that, because these values control our behaviors.